Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you two ways that you can cook your brown rice. Guys, brown rice is delicious, okay? I know some people don't like it, but guys, it's delicious and it has lots of health benefits. Brown rice is whole grain and we all know whole grain food are the best food. So the fiber in brown rice helps lower cholesterol. It moves waste through the digestive tract, promotes fullness, and may prevent the formation of blood clots. So if you're someone that cannot do without rice like I am, guys, I advise it's better you eat more brown rice than white rice. Yes, white rice is delicious, but brown rice have many health benefits. Okay, for our ingredients, I'm going to be needing, obviously our brown rice, and I have a cup here because I'm going to be cooking 1 cup of rice. I have my salt, I have my pot, we need pot to cook it, and I also have my water. So I'm going to be making 1 cup of rice, so I need about 2 cups of water, which is a 600 ml of water. So guys, let's get cooking. I have my pot on fire. Okay, I think we are good to go. So I'm just going to pour my water inside. So I'm going to cover and allow the water boil. Okay, we're going to cover this and allow our water boil. So over here I'm going to be measuring a volume of rice. 1 cup of rice. So I'm using this cup to measure it. Add your salt. So guys, after about 14 minutes our rice is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks so good, guys. Looks so good. Some veggies. Then some stew, some delicious stew, guys. Okay guys, the other way you can cook your brown rice, you can also use this method to cook your brown rice. So over here I have about 1 liter of water. So 1 liter of water, because this one we need a lot of water. So here I also have 1 cup of rice, about 250 grams of rice. In here we have 500 grams. The first one was 250 and this one is also 250. So I'm just going to allow the water to be hot a little bit, so before I pour the rice inside. Yeah, now the water is hot now, so I'm going to be pouring the rice inside. I'm just going to be adding some salt. So you allow your rice to cook for about 10 to 14 minutes depending on how you want your rice. Now it's time to just drain out the water. voila, our rice is ready. Yeah, this is the final look, guys. Our brown rice is ready. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Was it the first one or this one? As for me though, I prefer the first one. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share to your friends and your loved ones. And if you've not joined the live farm, guys, please press the red button, subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.